Guys, welcome back to another vlog. So yan, something got delivered today. Ito yung part na binili ko for the car. So yan, we're going to be installing it to the car. So let's go. So yan, nasa labas na yung sasakyan. So yan, we're now inside the car and yan, so ito, views yung sasakyan natin. Now this part na binili ko is called an overhead display gauge. So ang mangyayari, itong pyesa na to, mapapalagay siya dyan sa dashboard. But anyway, I'll show you later. Pero for now, let's go somewhere para maikabit natin tong part na to. So tara, let's go. I was going to install the part doon sa sa bahay, kaya lang nagmamadali ako ngayon. I need to be somewhere. Pagdating ko doon sa destination ko, doon na lang ako mag-i-install. The install is simple lang naman, very quick, kasi this is a product na I've already used before with another car. So yun, familiar na ako kung paano i-install. So yun, mabilis lang. What has happened is that I actually arrived early dun sa destination ko and I still have time to just open the part that came earlier today. So yan, tingnan natin kung ano yung itsura. And again, this is an vehicle overhead display. So this is like a gauge that will be placed on the dashboard. Tara, buksan na natin. There you go. Lagi talaga akong excited whenever something arrives in the mail, especially kapag syempre car part. Alright, so here it is. Again, this is a heads-up display. So yan, heads-up display. It says right here. Let's see what's inside. So yan, ito na yung pinaka-part na malalagay dun sa dashboard doon. Tapos of course, it's going to be connected to your ECU through this cable right here. Yan, nakasaksak to sa OBD port. So, siguro yung pinaka-challenge dito is routing the cable onto the sides. Tapos, yun, madali lang naman, napaka-straightforward. Titingnan lang muna natin kung gagana siya. Oh, and by the way, the package came with the actual device and this cable. Tapos what else? Syempre it's got manual right here, and it's got a double-sided tape para ma-secure yung device dun sa dashboard para hindi siya gagalaw-galaw. And it's got this right here. Ito yung parang reflective film that you would need to stick onto the windshield para maganda yung reflection ng display. Pinatay ko muna yung makina, tapos yung other end ng cable naka-connect na sa OBD port. Tapos yung OBD port naman is usually located sa ilalim ng dashboard. It's usually on the driver's side. So yan, in this case, ayan, hindi nyo makita pero I'll show you tomorrow pag medyo maliwanag. Sinaksa ko na siya and yan, it's lighting up, which is a good sign. Nilagay natin sa dashboard pero hindi pa siya nakakapit na maayos. Actually again, tinecheck ko lang kung gagana siya. Ayan, so this is pretty much how it's going to look like. Ayan, nakalagay siya na ganyan sa dashboard. It's a bit difficult to do with just one hand, pero yan, that's pretty much how it's going to look like. Yan, okay, nakita na. There you go. Okay, so I can definitely see the display. Kanina, kung buhay siya. Okay, so buhayin natin yung makina, tapos tingnan natin kung gagana siya. So yan, switching on the engine. Yan, so yan, switching on the engine. There you go. Oh, ayan na. O, teka, nawala. Bakit ganun? Biglang nawala. Is it broken? Ano ba yan? Meron na kanina eh. What just happened? Ayun, meron na. Alright. Ayun, meron na. I can now see the display. Ayan, okay na oh. There you go. Alright, there you go. So ano siya, it's displaying ayan na, meron na. Ang pagkakaintindi ko dito is you can display speed, you can display temperature, and other information regarding the car. So paglaruan ko muna, tapos iset up ko na maayos yung cable, tapos I'll get back to you tomorrow to let you know kung ano nangyari. So till tomorrow. So it's been a couple of days since the install, and ito na yung itsura ng gauge ko. Ayan, yan na yung itsura ng heads-up display. So at the moment, it's displaying the temperature. So it's at the moment 88 degrees Celsius, and at least right now kita natin yung temperature bago siya mag-overheat. And I believe ang parang overheat nito is above 100 degrees Celsius. So ayan, at least pag let's say nasa traffic ka, tapos nakita mo tumataas na yung temperature dyan, may tatabi mo na yung sasakyan, instead of just relying dun sa indicator na nandyan, kasi yun nandito blue at saka red lang. Pag umilaw na yung red, I believe nag-overheat na. So before umilaw yan, at least doon kita mo na. And the install is very simple. Now yan, DIY ko lang siya ginawa. Ang ginawa ko lang is itinak ko yung wire doon sa tabihan. Yan, so hindi na siya kita. Isiniksik ko lang talaga siya sa tabihan. And ganito yung pagkakakonekta niya sa OBD port. Ayan, so nakasaksak lang. Very straightforward. And apart from the temperature, you can also again display ito yata yung voltmeter. So tapos by pressing the button at the back, you can change mode, and yan, this time around it's displaying the speed. So of course we're not going anywhere, so it's saying 0 kilometers per hour. Test ko naman siya kanina, it's pretty accurate versus gauge mo dito. So yan, pretty good. So yan guys, I hope you liked the video. If you're not yet subscribed, please subscribe to my channel. I will see you on the next video. Peace. One last thing before we end the vlog, ipapakita ko lang sa inyo yung sticker na pinakabit ko sa sasakyan. Check this out. There you go. Yan, no? Ang ganda ng sticker na pinagawa ko. It says 1.3 tapos dual VVTi, since dual VVTi naman talaga itong sasakyan. So yan, there you go. 1.3 for the displacement, dual VVTi. So yun, on the other side, it's pretty much the same. Ayan. Para lang hindi sobrang boring nung sahid. So ayan, nilagyan ko ng konting sticker. So ayan. Bye.